Hi friends, Nisha Thakur here. Today I am going to show you how to factorize trinomial. And here general trinomial expression is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 1. And a, b, c are any arbitrary numbers, but a not equal to 1. In my last video, there a equal 1, but today we solve where a not equal to 1. Okay, so here product AC, a multiply c, and sum is b. So we have to find out two numbers which product is AC and sum is b. Okay, here this table is very useful when you are solving these questions. When product is positive and sum is positive, it means both numbers same and positive. Here, if product is positive and sum is negative, it means both numbers have same sign and both are negative sign. And if product is negative and sum is positive, so different sign and larger number is positive. If product is negative and sum is negative, so different sign and larger number is negative. So this table is very useful. Okay, now we okay, let's an example. 3x square plus 11x plus 6. So what is here product and what is here sum? Product is 3 times 6. Yes, 18. And what is sum here? 11. Okay. So product is positive and sum is positive. It means first condition. So both are positive. Okay. So here 1 times 18 is 18, 2 times 9 is 18, and 3 times 6 is 18. But here 2 times 9, because 2 plus 9 is 11. So we choose 2 and 9. 2 times 9 18 and 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay. So first term and last term we can write as it is. Just split this middle term. So here 11x, it means 2x plus 9x. 2x plus 9x, or you can write 9x plus 2x, your choice. Okay, now here 4 terms. So we can use here factor grouping method. From first 2 terms we can take common. What should we take common from here? Just x. So 3 and one more x here left. You're already taken out x, so here just left 2. Okay. From this last 2 terms, what should we take common? Plus 3. Okay. So here 3 times 3, 9, and x. 3 times 2, 6. Make sure here bracket portion is same. If not, it means you did a mistake. Okay, so here 2 terms and here common thing is bracket portion. So we can take common this bracket portion. And what is here left? Here left x and here plus 3. Most of the student mistake here, they don't write any sign, but don't forget to write here plus or minus. Okay, whatever their situation. So but write here plus or minus. So here plus, that's why I wrote here plus. This is very important thing. Okay, what is your product and sum? Product is 8 times negative 15. 8 times 15, 120, and negative. Sum is -2. Okay, product and sum both are negative. So which condition? Last. Different sign and larger number is negative. Okay, so we choose two numbers which product is -20 and sum is -2, and both are different sign, and larger one is negative because of this. So here many choices of 120 because it's so many factors, but what is difference? 2. So let's take 10 times 12. Here 10 times 12 is 120, and here difference is 2. Okay, there says negative, larger number is negative, so 12 is larger number, and this is negative. 10 minus 12, we get -2. So this is perfect. Okay, first term and last term we can write as it is. Just split middle term, -2x. So we choose two numbers, 10 and -12. So plus 10x minus 12x. Is this same? Yes. Now here four terms. We can factorize by grouping method. First two terms we can take common, 2 and x. 2 times 4, 8, and one more x, plus 2 times 5, 10. X already taken out. Okay, from here we can take common negative. So whenever we take common negative, all sign will be changed in the bracket portion. And we can take common here because here 12 and 15, so we can take common 3. -3 is the common. Okay, 3 times 4, 12. This was negative, it will be positive. This is negative, it will be positive. All signs change in the bracket. 3 times 5, 15. Make sure your bracket portion is same. Yes. Now we can take common bracket. So this is 4x plus 5. Okay, now here what is left? 2x and -3. This is x. Okay. So this is our answer. You can check your all answers by using FOIL method. You can multiply and check it comes or not. Okay. Now here product and sum. What is product? 10 times 5, 50, and sum is -27. Product positive, sum negative. Product positive, sum negative, it means both numbers have negative sign. Okay, so 2 times 25 and both sign negative. -2 times -25, it become +50, -2, -25, -27. So it works, and first term and last term we can write as it is. Just split middle term, -27x. So we can write -2x, -25x. Okay, we got four terms. Now we can take common from this first two terms. So we can take common 2x, 2 times 5, 10, one more x here left, minus 2x already taken out, so just write answer 1. Okay, from here we can take common negative. So all sign will be changed in the parenthesis. Okay, what number we can take common? 20 from 25 and 5? 5. 5 times 5, 25 and x left. Now here negative. Already taken out 5, so just write answer 1. So this will be positive, this will be negative. When we take common negative, all sign will be changed. Okay. Now two terms, and here bracket portion is same, so we can take common bracket 5x minus 1. Now here left 2x and here minus 5. And this is the answer. You can multiply and check your answer this get or not. Okay. Now here little bit different question because here y also, but don't worry. Okay, what is product? 4 times 5, 20, and here negative, that's why, because 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20, and sum is 1. Here just minus xy, it means here invisible 1, negative 1. Okay. So product is negative and sum is negative. It means which choice? Last one. Larger number, negative. Okay. So 4 times 5, their difference is 1. Okay. Larger number, negative. Okay. So 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20, and 4 minus 5, which is negative 1. Okay, just write first term as it is, last term as it is, and factorize middle term. So 4 and negative 5, but here xy. Okay, so plus 4xy negative 5xy. Okay, now we got 4 terms. From first two terms, what should we take common? 4 and 1x. So here left just x, and here y, because 4x already taken out. Okay, from these last two terms, what should we take common? Negative 5y. So here x left and plus y. Remember, whenever we take common negative, all sign will be changed. Okay. Okay. Now here we can take common bracket portion because it is same. So x plus y we can take common, and another bracket here left, 4x minus 5y. This is the answer. Okay. Now here this 18x cube. So here cube, but we want quadratic trinomial. We are solving quadratic trinomial. So can we take common from this expression? Can we take common something? Let's check. 18, 33 and negative 30. So we can easily take common 3, and here all have x. This is the smallest x, 1, so we can take common x. Okay, so 3 times 6, 18, and x square, plus 3 times 11, 33, x, minus 3 times 10, 30, x already taken out. So yes, we got this quadratic trinomial, and we can solve very easily. What is product and what is sum here? Product is 6 times negative 10, negative 60, And what is sum here? 11. Okay, product is negative and sum is positive. Third condition, larger number positive. Larger number positive. Okay. So 4 times 15 is 60, and larger number positive. So this is negative. Okay. So negative 4 plus 15, which is 11, and negative 4 times 15 is negative 60. It works. So we can choose easily negative 4 and 15, these two numbers. Okay. Now first term and last term write as it is, just split middle term. So we can write negative 4x and positive 15x. It means this is 11x, right? Write 3x as it is. Now we got 4 terms. So from first 2 terms we can take common 2 and x. What is here left? 2 times 3, 6, and 1 more x, minus 2 times 2, 4, x already taken out. From last 2 terms we can take common 5. 5 times 3, 15, and x, minus 5 times 2, 10. Okay. Make sure here bracket portion is same. Now we can take common 3x minus 2, and here left 2x plus 5. This 5, this 2x. I hope you are getting my point. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please write in comment box, or you can email me. Okay. Okay, 3x square plus 2x minus 7. What is product? What is sum? Product is 3 times negative 7. It means negative 21, and sum is 2. Okay, product is negative and sum is positive. It means last third, this third condition. So larger number positive. Okay, larger number positive. So negative 1 times 21, their difference is not 2. Negative 3 times 7, 3 times 7, 21, which your subtraction is not 2. And here we have only 2 choices. So here we can't find 2 numbers which product is negative 21 and sum is 2. So we can't factorize this middle term. So we can write just this is prime and we can't factorize. Okay. If you have any queries, any doubt, please email me, or please write in my comment box. Okay. And if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.